Hey there, my name's Ben from Walser Nissan in Burnsville here, and we're going to be taking a look at the 2023 Nissan ARIYA. So here it is, the 2023 Nissan ARIYA Premiere. This vehicle does have the front sonar, front, side, and rear sonar. We do have the beautiful Kumiko design here, a nod to the traditional Japanese woodworking technique combined with the futurism of the ARIYA. Beautiful LED headlights here along with LED fog lights. Moving along the side here, we got these beautiful Aero 19-inch rims. We do have a camera tucked up under the mirrors here for your intelligent around view camera. Over here we got the charge port here. Got both the level 1 and level 2 with the combined level 3 fast charger. The ARIYA does come with a couple different battery options, up to 304 miles per charge, and both front wheel and all-wheel drive options. And moving along the side here, we do of course have the capacitive keyless entry on all 4 doors. Beautiful sleek body lines. Moving along to the back here, let's take a look at the storage area. Of course does have a power lift gate. Plenty of storage room, does have a cargo cover. Has this divide and hide system, so you got extra storage underneath for your portable charging cable. Got your power lift gate button here, as well as a lock button, so if you're all done putting away your groceries, you just hit that lock button and it locks all the doors for you as well. And looking up top here, when you see the dual shark fins here, that means that this vehicle does come with Pro Pilot Assist 2.0. That means hands-free driving on HD mapped highways, as well as self-park. And now let's take a look at the back seats. And in the rear seats here, of course, the seats do fold flat, 60-40 split. Do have cup holders in the back for any passengers. Getting on in here, we do have the leather with the suede interior. And look at all this room back here. I'm 6'3" and I still fit comfortably. And in the rear, you do have the standard heated seats with USB-A as well as USB-C charging ports. So if you got the kiddos going up to the cabin, you're not going to hear them ask a million times, are we there yet? And take a look at this beautiful dual panoramic moonroof here. Great for everyone to see and bring in natural light. Let's jump in the driver's seat and take a look up there. Now that we're in the driver's seat, this vehicle does of course come with memory seats. Does have the easy entry and exit mode, pulls me right up when you open the door when the vehicle's off, pulls you right back. So we do have of course all of our window controls over here, our mirrors, power folding mirrors on this vehicle. Looking across here, we do have the standard beautiful dual 12.3-inch screens here with the 10.8-inch heads-up display. Displays all of your information right on the windshield, so you never have to look away. Coming down to the center console here, this is a power center console, so you can find the sweet spot for what is comfy for you. We do have our wireless phone charger tucked up under here. Behind this door here, we do have our cup holders, our shifter, all of our wonderful buttons here. So we do have multiple drive modes, our self-park button, our e-step, so you can drive with just the accelerator pedal, and this open and close button. Motorized extra storage there for ease of access. Right up here, we do have our haptic touch climate control. Along with our wireless phone charger here, this vehicle does come equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay. Up top here, we do have a digital rear view mirror. The beauty of it, you do have the option to use it as a regular mirror as well. Taking a closer look at the screen here, we do still have all of our climate control options here. Heated seats and heated steering wheel, all with automatic options. So even your heated seats will start out strong and slowly dissipate to not have you overheat. The vehicle does come equipped with in-car navigation. Another beautiful aspect. If you don't want to look over here, just swipe it right over here. On top of that, it will give you turn-by-turn directions right up on your heads-up display, so you never even have to look away from the road. Moving on to the steering wheel here, we do have all of our different audio controls over here with our shortcut menu. On the right side here, we do have our Pro Pilot Assist 2.0 button, as mentioned before. Does have the intelligent cruise control, so here's our distance selector down here for that hands-free HD mapped highway driving. And if we take a look down here, we do not have a transmission tunnel, so gives us plenty of space, great for daily driving. Again, bringing out that kumiko design for the traditional woodworking technique of the Japanese style. Down here we do have, again, USB-A as well as USB-C and a 12-volt option. We have this wonderful thing here so we can wrap cords around so they don't get messed around your feet. So that is just a brief summary of the features on this brand new 2023 Nissan ARIYA. Whether you are brand new to EV driving or you already own one, if you need any more information, feel free to stop on by. Again, I am one of the EV ambassadors here and I would be happy to help.